In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how I download fonts that I use for my cakes. These are fonts that I would print out and make fondant names out of them. I have videos showing you how I make names and trace fonts onto fondant, and I will link everything below, and I will also link below my favorite fonts that I like to use. So let's get into the video.
All right, I have a PC and not a Mac. My computer is a Microsoft Windows 10 Pro. If you have a Mac, this might be a little different. So I'm going to start by going to Google and type in "da font" and click on the website. And there's tons of fonts on this site. I love this site so much. So let's try this, Elizabeth Darby. So I'm going to go to the right and click on download. And on the bottom left of my screen, a zip file comes. So I'm going to click to open it when it downloads, and then this box pops up. I'm going to go to the true type. There's open type. I always go to true type. I don't know why. So I just double click that, and then that box opens, and on the top left, I click install, and it installs the font. So then I'm going to open Microsoft Word, open a blank document, and I'm going to make the font big so you could see it, so like 150, and I'll just type in the word cake. And I am going to highlight that, left click, so then I'm going to go here and I'm going to find that font that I just installed. And there it is, Elizabeth Darby, and I click it, and there you go. There's that font on my computer. Now, I have rulers up on the top and down the side, so I could see how wide and how tall I'm printing these. So to view the rulers, you just click view, and that little box there, you check it. I unchecked it, the rulers went away, and I check it and the rulers come back. That way, when I print font, I can always know what size it's going to be. So let's try this again with another font, the Sweet Winter font. I'm going to go to the right, click on download, and then go to the zip file and click open when done. And then the box pops up, and on the top left, click install. And then I can go to my Word document, highlight the word, go to the drop down box, find the Sweet Winter. And that's how I get a bunch of different fonts on here. So I'm going to post a bunch of cakes with some of my favorite fonts for you to see.